going stronger or less strong? Or same?
Less strong.
Okay, some more.
Well, ask him what he likes, maybe.
Yeah, okay, so does it matter then? Are we
I
going
would
into
say,
the
would you
muscle
like-
or we're doing energy?
I would say, would you like, there's no or. The muscle is energy. Right? So,
But in order to get into the muscle, it's more energetic, right? Because I'm not actually...
it's both.
Oh,
Yeah, it's both. So you're doing a good job already. Let me just feel your hands. You're doing a pretty good job of not holding tension in your hands. Like there could be a bird in there and you're not going to crush it. And I like to have my wrists like nice and limp. There you go. And I'm hitting with this part of my hand right here. And what I do is just watch here, kind of like letting it fall. I'm not really using any of my energy. This is all momentum. It's bouncing back up. It bounces up. And I let it fall. But I do it at just a pace. It's like a meat tenderizer. And we can combine this with sweeps, so I can go like, just watch here, just like here.
so no, we're not following a meridian, we're just actually...
Yeah, you don't have to follow the meridian necessarily. You can
sweep it out, because you're
A-
sweeping it
anytime.
away. You're taking it out of the
exactly,
body.
and it
Got
goes where it needs to go. If I feel tension anywhere, I don't have to figure out where it's. I can just go like that, and that's going to help it.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so those are the three like setting the table things that you can do. There's the rocking, the sweeping, and the tapping.
Okay.
Those help to get the person to deeply relax, so that way when it's time to start opening their joints, it'll be that much easier. Now it's time to start opening their joints. So you start upper left limb, right here. And I'm not using any effort. This is all momentum. It's like my hands are bouncing back up at me and falling down. There's no tension anywhere. If there's any tension at any point, I go, You see how my wrists are just nice and relaxed. All my fingers are relaxed. And I'm making a sort of circle here like this. It's all how you want to do it. I like to make a nice circle like this around the shoulder blade. I'll usually do that 3 times. And again, this is something, if I have a full hour, I'll do this for 5 or 10 minutes. And it really helps the receiver to deeply relax. It's all on that same beat, that same rhythm that the rocking was on. We're rocking the baby to sleep. Basically what I'll do is I'll go down, the back line of the body, and spend. We can even do the whole time on the feet. Just doing this right here on the feet really, really can help to ground the receiver. So I came down the back of the body. Now I'm going to go up the inside of the lower legs. And I'm going to come back up. Down the arms. Hands. Go down the side body here. Sort of however we want to do it, just keeping the beat and making sure that we are going in the direction of the meridian flow. Well, that's it for today's demonstration video. I can only show you a little bit at a time here. It takes me a while to edit. However, soon there will be full tutorial videos out online where you will be able to see some of them for free, and some of them I'm going to have to charge because it's taking me a lot of time to edit all this stuff. And it's going to be great. It's going to be so worth it for you. Also, if you are a paid subscriber at healingisfree.com, you'll get half price on the videos, as well as my retreats where you can learn this stuff hands-on every summer on the beaches in Santa Barbara. Imagine being a body on a table on the beach, getting that work done to you.